Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Orly Neon collection. Well, it's mostly neons. It's the summer collection for 2020. I spotted my friend, Miss Tammy, on Instagram from Mrs. K's Corner, and she was sporting this one right here. And the camera's not showing you the true color. It's so much brighter than that. And I was like, oh, that's just, ah. And so then I went and watched Phoebe Moon's swatching of these, and I couldn't resist. I know, I own a bunch of neons, and I'm just a junkie, but I love Orly polish, and it's been forever since I bought any. So I bought the whole collection. This plum colored one is called Psych. We've got Hot Pursuit, this like orangey pink, and then Oh Snap, love the name of that one. And then So Fly is the green. And then Far Out is this blue, and this dusty purpley color is Gotta Bounce. So today I'm going to test these and see if they either stamp or water marble. So if you want to see, just hang in there with me and we'll see it together. Alrighty, we're going to plop through these and see if we can get them to water marble. I've had luck in the past with Orly's water marbling, but neons can be finicky. So we're just going to see. I am working rather quick because I don't want to, you know, give them too much of a chance to dry up. I am having to tap that yellow to get it to spread. And let's just do the neons on this one. I'm going to go back to the blue because that outer ring won't show up. So here we go. Yeah, it's starting to dry close to the edge, so definitely don't go all the way to that blue. Oof. Gotta be careful with this one. So, I would say they do water marble. I wouldn't say they're exceptionally great for water marbling. But we are going to try the other colors too. I'm going to dip down in and clean off. So that's not too bad. They do, you know, and I also have the air conditioner is running, so that might be affecting this a little bit, but I would highly recommend you work very fast if you're gonna use these for water marbling. And let's go ahead and try these two, the dusty colors. I'm gonna run that toothpick around the edge real quick. And sometimes it's easier if you're just working with two colors. And that works out, that's working out really nice. I like it. They're spreading quickly and spreading on their own without me having to jiggle the cup or anything. Oh, and I'm sorry, I've got the air dryer going in the background. I'm painting some nails to practice stamping on. I didn't even think about that when I turned the camera on, sorry. So we've got a bullseye built. Okay, it is drying on that edge again, so definitely don't start too close to the edge of the cup. Alright, let's see what that looks like. Dipping in, gonna clean up the excess. Okay, well that's a little funky looking. I like it. It did totally work. I wouldn't recommend these for water marbling. That's not what they're for really anyway. But you could use them. They do water marble. You would just want to make sure there's no air movement going on in your room, and I would work very quickly. Okay? So we're going to get things ready for the stamp. Alrighty, let's get going on some swatch testing and see if they stamp. And this one is Far Out. It's that pretty blue. And there we go. I mean, it shows up over both, and after top coating it might look a little better. We'll see. And this one here is the yellow, and it's called Oh Snap. And I love that. It reminds me of Joy from My Name is Earl. She said that all the time. I loved it. And once again, you know, and the lighting's kind of washing out on the white, but everything really does stamp pretty good over the white. And then this green, are you kidding me? So fly. That is so fly. So, you know, even though these aren't stamping polishes, they are doing okay. I wouldn't, you know, run out and buy them for stamping polishes, but if you have them, you know, most of them do pretty good. Now, this is Hot Pursuit, and over the black, it wasn't the best at all, and it did okay over the white. Kind of sounded like a broken record here, but that's the truth. You know, share it all, good, bad, and ugly. And this one is Gotta Bounce, the dusty purple looking color. Bluish purple, I guess. I don't know. And then finally we've got Psych. And it's pretty much the same as the rest of them. It shows up, but not so great. There we go. Righty, so I swatched all of these, stamping them, and they all look really good over the white. And some of them show up a little bit over the black, but like the yellow and the green, I think, do well. The blue kind of looks gray, and the purple looks okay. The pink, not so much. I would not use that for stamping. And then this other one. So it's the reddy colored one. This is the plum one. And it doesn't show up very good over the black either. Now these aren't touted as stamping polishes, but from time to time when I get collections I do like to, you know, test them for water marbling and stamping. So my opinion, these work really well over white, and some of them are okay over black, especially after you put the top coat on them. You can see that pretty well. The blue looks pretty good, yeah. So there you have it. That's my little does it work for swatching and water marbling. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.